Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make this. To create this video you will need Filmora 12. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly find 6 to 8 photos of the show you like, for example these photos are from the best show of all time for me, Prison Break. Import all photos to your timeline. Now you will need to cut each photo for about 5 to 6 frames. When you are done, now go to Transition tab, and search for Simple Roll 4 Transition. Then drag and drop transition between each photos. Also make sure duration of the transitions are not longer than 4. Now we will add one more transition called Glitch Intro 8. And put it on the beginning of the clip. When you are done with that, select all clips, and copy and paste next to these clips. Now add one more Simple Roll 4 transition. Then go in Effects tab, and search for Anime 3. Drag and drop into your timeline. Also search for Film Grain Effect and drag and drop it. Then go in New Blue FX Effects, go in Elements tab, and drag and drop Glow Pro Effect. Then double-click on Glow Pro Effect. Change the preset to Angels. I will change light source color to brown. Also glow color to gray. And increase blend and strength a little bit. Now search for Cinematic Effect and put it on the top of your timeline. Then go in Titles tab. Drag and drop default title. The font I'm using is Fake Empire Regular. Now you will need to select each word, and change the size from smaller to bigger. K word will stay on 80 size. Then select A word and change the size to 90. E word to 100 size. R word to 130 size. B word to 150 size. N word to 170. O to 150. S 120. I to 120. R 110. And P 100. When you are done, go to Stock Media, then Film Stock and Solid Color. Choose black color. Now put the text in black color, in the end of the clip. Double-click on text, scroll down, go to Blend Mode and change it to Screen. Now go again in Effects tab, go to New Blue FX Effects, then Elements tab. and drag and drop Auto Pan effect below Cinematic Effect. Then double click on it, and change the preset from ease in to ease out. Now double click on black color. Make sure you are on the first frame. Make a keyframe on the first frame, with opacity to 0. And go to last frame of black color. And increase opacity to 100. For better visualization, find glitch intro effect and put it on the beginning of the text. Now go to the last frame of the text, then one frame back. And take a snapshot. Now put the snapshot next to text layer. As final step, go to Effects tab, and search Fade Effect. And put it at the end of the snapshot. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to Flat Media.